Hi and welcome. This is Rob Thomas, your Everything Microsoft Enterprise Architect. And today I'm going to cover the new, highly anticipated Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Now, could be a little confusing because I know what 365 Copilot is in Copilot Studio. What is this Copilot Chat? And I'm going to cover that today in our discussion. So without further ado, let's get started. And before I get started, I also wanted to mention our sponsor, which is Enterprise Software Solution, our software dudes. Reach out to these guys if you are looking to purchase any Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Dynamics, Copilot, Azure, Windows Server, Office, Microsoft Office, SharePoint product, even Cisco and Adobe Acrobat products. If you need any help, by all means, with insight into Microsoft Copilot, again, reach out to the software dudes, which is Enterprise Software Solution. All right, so let's dig into our Copilot challenges. So when you get into Copilot, one of the things you're going to notice is this screen. So when you log into your actual experience here, right? So let's say I'm logging in here. I'm going to use this one right here, right? I'm logging in here. The first thing I'm going to see, because I purchased Office 365, I'm using it for my business, things are going good, everything's great. But then I'm starting to see this new screen to pop up, and it'll say, unlock Copilot Chat in Microsoft 365 apps. Add the Copilot Chat to your Microsoft 365 Copilot apps, Teams, Outlook for easy access. You can click this, skip for now. You can click add pilot. So I clicked this already, and I just grabbed the screenshot of the screen. I clicked that, and then once I clicked that, right, I was able to get to the screen. Now this screen actually comes up. Copilot is now here, and you're like, oh shoot, this is awesome. Now on my home screen, right, or in my tab to the left, I have a pre-set up Copilot tab. It's gonna make it easy for me to kind of do some things. So I could say, hey Copilot, you know what? Yeah, how? Just gonna give it a command. How far is Earth from the moon? And I just start dialoguing with Copilot. Now it starts giving me some insights, and it gives me some, and what causes the distance to change, right? I can start, boom. Typical, like I have all these great prompts that are in my mind I'm thinking about, and I no longer have to like go over here and try to figure out how to get to Copilot and how that's going to work, right? So all I wanted to do is spend in this video really answer this question, like what is this? Like this new feature, it's popping up, it's pretty cool. I'm getting the screen. When I click on it, voila, like I'm able to get into Copilot and I'm able to do some cool things. Now that it's over here, anywhere I go to this waffle, it's going to be in the waffle here, and I can always go back and reference it here. So if I'm in the apps, I can go here, I can click that. If I want to get more information, there's stuff here. So I will leave you with this. Like here's a link that you could go through Microsoft with this web URL. This is going to give you all this information, kind of explain the pricing, and I do like this. It's what is Copilot? Is it free? And Copilot Chat off Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat is actually free, but you do pay for agents. So I do want to cover that a little bit, right? So if I go here on this page, really, Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat is breaking down in three elements. It's a chat, it's the agent, and it's the IT control. The chat is free. It's built on a secure AI chat. It's powered by GPT 4.0 and well-grounded. So this is a really very similar AI tool that's out there. It's built on the regular large language models infrastructure. Now, if I wanted to use this tool to do some more cool things, this is where I'm going to start introducing agents, and it's super easy to create agents. Like you don't even need really any strong IT experiences. You just follow the prompts on the screens, boom, create an agent. Now I'm going to get more power out of using agents. When I want to go beyond just using the free capabilities. Now, IT controls is where, and I'll cover that in future video. Like, what's the difference between Copilot Chat, Copilot itself, and Copilot Studio, right? And then accessing Copilot. And I want to end that piece with with this. Let me jump to the screen, right? So you can see here, the consumption is free right here. And then Copilot 365, if I could just take it out of presentation screen right there, you can see right there, you still going to pay Microsoft 365 Copilot, $30 subscriptions, right? You get all the features, but if I'm just using a free consumption license, I'm going to get this. I'm able to do some cool things. I can use agents to start interacting with data here. But if I really wanted to use like a full comprehensive capability, I am going to use Microsoft 365 Copilot and pay the $30 subscriptions. And I did cover that in future videos. So what I'll do is future videos, I'll dig in a little bit more depth, but I just wanted to leave you with that, get you going, explain what Copilot is, help you see what this new screen that's popping up, turn it on, and then just getting you to start using it right away. So I hope this video is super helpful to you. If you have any of the other questions, don't hesitate, reach out to me. And thank you so much. Have a great day, and all things Microsoft. Have fun in your Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot prompts that are going to really enhance and make you super successful in your business. Thanks again. Bye.